Tonight, Macon-Bibb County Department of Health board members met to hear from health professionals who say the McDonald's located inside Navicent Health needs to be moved. 41 NBC's Joy Dukes was there and she has more.
January, several health groups addressed board members, including the group who wrote the initial letter urging the Navicent Health to remove that fast food giant from their hospital. One woman with the District Nursing and Clinical Services Department says more than just their patients are in danger if it stays.
It's not only a risk for people who are in the hospital, it's a risk for our population in general.
District Nursing and Clinical Services Director Anita Barkin and others in the medical community are asking Navicent Health to get away from the Golden Arches.
As we know, we have a problem with obesity in Georgia. We have a problem with heart disease and diabetes. And we can't get to a healthier place without providing access to healthier foods.
Barkin was one of many concerned public health officials who wanted to make Macon-Bibb Department of Health board members aware of the mixed messages on Monday.
When a doctor tells a patient who's maybe pre-diabetic or something, has heart disease, to eat lower fat food and healthier food, fruits and vegetables, and then the patient walks out of the hospital and can grab a Big Mac. It just seems contradictory.
Leslie Rudloff with the Physicians Committee says the hospital's contract with McDonald's allows them to make more money with more sales.
The hospital actually benefits from McDonald's selling more food and more Big Macs.
She and more than 12,000 other members of the Physicians Committee were who initially sent the letter to Navicent asking for removal of its McDonald's.
It's in the best interest of their residents, their patients, the visitors to offer healthy food as opposed to fast food.
Barkin says her fear is that people in the community without access to healthy food are at risk of keeping up an unhealthy lifestyle.
When they go to the hospital to see a family member, and their only food choice is a food that's high in fat and high in calories and sugar, those are the choices that they have, and those are the foods that they will eat.
She says she hopes to discuss healthier replacement options with Navicent in the near future. Navicent Health says they're very open to the conversation of looking into a new food option once their contract with McDonald's finishes out. The end of that contract is nearing 2019.
All right, thank you, Joy. The board didn't have enough members present at the meeting, so they weren't able to take any action on the push to consider a new food option in the hospital. But this is just the beginning of that conversation.